Hello guys, shout out and sharing videos guys, white friends. Okay, first shout out natin ay si ang Bautista pala, Bautista Family Farm. So ito yung channel nila. Okay, okay, kita siguro. Yan, yan. Okay, so zoom. So ito yung channel nila. Huwag kalimutang bisitahin ang kanilang channel. I'm sure na babalikan kayo. Okay. So let's share one of the video. Ito yata ang ganda. Family mukbang. Okay, one video for Bautista family. Okay, ito lang ang channel ko sa community. Comment. I-copy paste natin. Copy. Yan na. Then post. Ito na ang cooking Filipino dishes for New Year's family lunch. Okay, next. Dito tayo. Okay, Ma'am Pili Lifestyle. Ito yung, yun. Aso, cute ng aso. Ito yung channel nila. Check lang. Puntahan sila. Okay. Ito, maganda to. Ocean Waves. Parang relaxing one. Content. Copy. Then let's paste it. Okay. Yan. Ocean sound of waves with sea bubbles. Okay guys, puntahan nyo na. At susuklian kaya ni ma'am. So, next is Ma'am Susana J. Okay. May pusa siyang makulit. Oh, hindi makulit, cute. Marami silang chickens. Yan, may sisiw. May karabaw. Galing. Farm. Ito yung share natin yung video. So, let's copy the link. Let's go back to my the community. Copy and paste. Yan. My stress reliever feeding the chicken, farm life. Next. Okay. Next is mere food cooking everyday. Share tayo ng isang video. Ito this one. Okay. Okay. Yan. Yan, share na. Next is Abdullah Summit. Okay. nagluluding konti guys. Hintayin tayo konti. Yun. Dumating na si Everything on Agenda with Summit. We'll share one of his video. So, kiitin to. You always visit my channel. I think lahat kayo palaging bumisita. At ako rin. Let's copy his video. Shout out. Summit. Sa lahat na na-post ko. Yan. Share na tayo. Sharing is caring and loving. Victor Osimhen to Galatasaray to Penumbra. Okay, muna na siya. Kamalibala. Next video is from Bibs. I think she's from Bohol. Ito yun, tipid ulam tips. Mostly foods, pagkain. Yan. Saka yan. Ito, i-share natin. Matamis-tamis. This one. Let's copy. Okay. Let's go back to my community. Okay. Yan. Okay, share ko na. So, kayo nang bahala. Bumisita kay Ma'am Bibs sa lahat na na-share ko. Ito si Jasmine Vlog from Japan. Galing din sa Japan yung anak ko, anak kong dalawa. Yung isa bumalik naman doon para puntahan yung sister niya. Married to an American teacher. Yung daughter ko married to an American teacher. Sila doon nandoon na-assign sila ng dalawa doon. Teacher din yung anak ko. So, bumalik na yung anak ko galing sa Japan. Maganda yung Japan, malamig. Ito yung video ni Ma'am Jasmine. Okay. Let's share it from Japan. Arigato gozaimasu. Yes. Ay. Jasmine Vlog. Yan. Okay. Next is tapos na to. So, tapos na pala lahat. So, thank you for watching guys. Sa next vlog na naman.